G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons and I'm here at Parravans in New South Wales. Behind me is the Legion Invictus 19'6". It's the perfect caravan if you're a couple, if you want to get away, create some great memories, have some terrific holidays. Have a look at this van. I'm going to show it to you. Come on. Welcome to the Invictus 19'6" from Legion. This is a lovely van, great size, terrific features. Now, I'm in the cafe lounge. This is called cafe seating, which is like a cafe. And here's a fabulous coffee table, except that when you want it to be a dining table, lift it up and the trifold becomes a full dining table, seating for four. Underneath, you've got more storage under both chairs and you've got more storage for CDs in the cabinets under here. It is just a really cleverly planned seating area. Now have a look at this bedroom because it's really, really good. This is a queen bed. Importantly, have a look at the storage on both sides because that's hanging storage. All of this storage up here. You've got the skylight. You've got two fans. Lift up the bed. More storage under there for your extra appliances, extra goodies and things. And then you've got storage down here. It is just a great bedroom. But importantly, see beside the bed, you've got your little book pockets. Now those book pockets have got USB and USB-C points in them, so you can charge up on your social media while you're in bed with the reading lamps and the padded bed head. Is this a glorious kitchen? It is a glorious kitchen. Cabinets galore, range hood here, sound system there, so you've got radio and CD, and that's good because the speakers are both indoors and outdoors. Terrific bench area. Now this is good because this is filtered water. Then you've got your flick mix tap, stainless steel, nice tray here. Then you've got your cooking area because this is where it gets really good. You've got 3 gas and an electric, so you can go off bottle, or if you're in a caravan park, you've got the electric as well. Pantry in here, which is excellent. Pot drawer, big storage here, lots of drawers there, and there's a beaut 3-way fridge and a microwave oven. As a kitchen, it really works. Now the bathroom is just outstanding because you've got a terrific toilet area with a window and you've got screen and you've got blind, plus there's an exhaust fan up top which is already illuminated. It's got special lights coming down as well. Lots of storage up here for your towels, so all your towels and goodies, but importantly there's a drawer so that all your little makeup areas and things like that, they're not just rattling around, you've got them all locked away in the drawer. Good storage here, and you've got your own washing machine. It's already plumbed in, so you don't have to use the caravan park's washing machine. You've got your security of your own, and the shower, oh what a shower that is. You will love it. Now the Legion Invictus has so many fabulous features. Firstly, it's Australian made, but more importantly than that, the BM Pro Battery Plus 35 2HA, which is lithium compatible, is also Australian made, and the Aussie Link 104, which is already standard, that's Australian made as well. But then you get the air conditioning and the radio with DVD player. There's 2 fans, there's solar, 2 lots of solar, 210 watts, and there's 2 of those, and the TV antenna already included. Now the suspension on this one is ultra smooth. It's the touring suspension, but if you want to go more off-road, then just go to the website and have a look at the Chariot or Gladiator options, and you will be able to see exactly what you can do to your Legion. And for water, when you go touring, you've got 2 95-litre freshwater tanks and a 95-litre grey tank, so you can go to the national parks. It's so easy to find out more about the Legion vans. All you've got to do is give the fabulous team at Parravans a call on 02 4577 5577, 02 4577 5577, or just go to their website parravans.com.au. That's parravans.com.au, and they will get you in your Legion.